Boy, oh boy, we love it when we head over to the soundstage, and we love it when we have a great band all raring to go. Folks, remember VooDoo 3. But guess what, folks? VooDoo 3 is back. Da, 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 da. Hey, Chris Stewart, how are you, man?
I'm doing great.
So, the return of VooDoo 3. Tell us about this.
We started way back in 2000 with Larry Chambers, and ever since he passed away, this has been a tribute to him. Ernie and I and Doug, we've taken a break for 3 years, so this is our first time together in 3 years, and we're going to start it back up again, and we're going to head around Des Moines and the Iowa area and start gigging again.
That is so cool. Now, it's not for a little bit here. You're still getting things organized here. The first event's going to be in April, correct?
Yes.
All right, so just want to remind everybody about a big one going on. Yes. It's going to be Saturday, April 23rd, the Grapevine at Crazy Horse Guitars. What's that all about?
I think tickets are $15, and there's like 40 people can come to this. It's a small event, so tickets will go fast.
Yep.
We go there and we play for 2 sets. Benita's selling wine there as well, so it's going to be an intimate setting. So I hope that all you in Des Moines that are live music lovers come down and see VooDoo 3, have some good wine, and it's a great time. Good music.
Well, in case they have not seen VooDoo 3 before, how about giving them a taste right now? Can you do that?
We'll do some Robert Cray for you.
There you go.
I can hear the couple fighting right next door. Their angry words sound clear to prison walls. Around midnight, I heard them shout on Faithful One, and I knew right then the axe was gonna fall. Because of me, it's because of me. I heard him shout, "Who is he?" And she mumbled low. He said, "Baby, don't you lie to me no more." And I listened through these little walls. Silence and shame as she called out my name. I was right next door. It's because of me. It's because of me. Because of me. Because of me. Oh, I was right next door. Such a strong persuader. Just another notch on my guitar. She's gonna lose the man who really loves her. In the silence I could hear their breaking heart. Oh, oh, oh. Round daybreak, I heard him pack and say goodbye. I could hear him slam the door and walk away. Right next door, I heard that woman start to cry. I should go to them, but what would I say? It's because of me. It's because of me. Because of me. Such a young boy. She was right next door when I'm such a strong persuader. But she was just another knot on my guitar. She's gonna lose a man who really loves her. She was just another knot on my guitar. Oh, she was right next door, such a strong persuader, yeah. She was just another notch on my guitar. You're gonna lose a man who really loves her, yeah. She was just another notch on my guitar. Here we go.
gentlemen, yes, they are back. VooDoo 3 after a little hiatus. They are going to be performing again. Here's a big show going on Saturday, April the 23rd over at Crazy Horse Guitars. $15 get you in, but a limited number of tickets for this one. You want to get them before they are gone, man. Why don't you just tell us who's who in the band there, Chris?
I'd like to introduce you on the bass guitar, Mr. Ernest Terrell.
There you go.
He gets 3 claps on that one. Back there on the drums, Mr. Doug Johnston.
Yeah.
There you go. Great job. Let's give him at least 4 claps. There you go. Perfect. All right, you guys sound great, man. It's cool to have you back, man. Thank you guys for coming over. We appreciate it. Now, can you guys take us into commercial break? Can you play one more song for us?
Yeah.
All right. Let's crank it up here, my friends. We'll be right back, folks. You are watching KCWI 23 HD live in Des Moines.
This is one of our own. It's called Here I Go. I married a woman, made a quarrelsome wife. A woman spotted me, opened my eyes. I tried to believe in her. I ended up believing her. Here I go, all alone, down a road, like a child without a bone, twist on face, all alone. Here I go. And Lord, forgive me, don't understand.